guys, this is KXCV here. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame in Sony Vegas Pro 14. First you got to find the beginning of the frame you want to freeze. Put the cursor there, press the letter S on your keyboard to make a cut, and then find the end of the frame you want to freeze and put a cursor there as well. Press S to cut it. Now right click on this piece of frame and point to insert remove envelope and click on velocity. Now let's put a green line in the frame. Right click on the left side beginning of the green line and right click there, and then you want to set velocity to 0. This freezes that section of the frames. Let's take a look at what it looks like. From the beginning it's moving, now it's frozen and past the green line. That's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.